What's up, guys? Welcome back to another motivational clean with me. I have some serious cleaning motivation in this video for you guys and a lot of decluttering. And welcome if you are new to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. I'm a married stay-at-home mom and a homeschool mom, and I post motivational cleaning videos every Monday. But as you guys could see, my room was totally trashed, and the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to start with my laundry. That never-ending pile of laundry that you always have. This is what the rest of my apartment looks like. Just a total mess. We always have stuff piled all over our table, and then our kitchen is always a mess. There's always dishes to be done because I'm always cooking all day long. So I hope this encourages you guys to get up and clean your own mess with me, because I know that can be really hard, especially as a stay-at-home mom, because the mess is always there, right? We feel like we're just never ending cleaning. I always feel like there's also this stigma that stay-at-home moms should have this perfectly clean house because that's quote unquote all we have to do. But in reality, we know that that is not the case. We are so busy just as much as the next person, and it is hard for us to keep our home clean all the time. But you should never feel guilty or ashamed that you do have a mess, because I feel like that just means that you are enjoying your life and the time that you have, and you'll clean your mess, when it works best for you.
There will be a time when you and me finally can talk. If you speak now, your words will only tear us apart. I pray you'll find a way to mend your broken heart. Yeah, you can show me a new place to start.
I have these random test tubes on my counter because my husband is currently in school and he had this crazy science class that he had to take.
And you decide if you want to see me again. If you want to see me again. If you want to see me again.
I was so excited because part of my daughter's first grade homeschool curriculum came in the mail, and I'm still waiting for the rest of it, so maybe I will do a first grade homeschool curriculum video for you guys.
There are some thoughts I can't avoid. I try to fight them all. So I won't speak right now, 'cause words will tear us apart. I pray to God I find a way to mend my broken heart. Yeah, wanna show you a new place to start, place to start. But you decide if you wanna play pretend. And you decide if you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. If you some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say.
After I vacuumed the rug and pulled it away to vacuum the open space, I was looking at it and I decided that I actually like the way it looks more without the rug. And I feel like I've been kind of getting fed up with that rug anyways, and I was feeling this open space vibe that it was giving me.
I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never heard. All I wanted was to be loved. What if I lost touch?
Okay, so I told you guys I was going to be doing some decluttering in this video. Well, first I'm going to be starting behind my couch. I just have a bunch of stuff piled back here, blankets and books and random things, games that we may not get to all the time. And I was honestly just tired of it sitting back there. So I decided I was going to go through a lot of it and donate, what we're not using. Genesis has a lot of games, but I feel like she only plays certain ones. So I was like, let me go ahead and just donate the other ones that she doesn't play with, or the books or the blankets and things like that. Now I'm going to be doing some decluttering in my kitchen. This is kind of like a catch-all drawer. It has so many random different things in it, and I wanted to get it cleaned out. And I hate the way our silverware drawer looks. It looks so excessive, and I definitely want to minimize it. So I'm just going through all my stuff and decluttering a lot of it, and only keeping just a few things instead of like 50 spoons and knives and all of that. I found these super cool bamboo utensil holder at Target, and I just love the way they look. So I bought one for this side and then one for over the other side where I have my utensils. I I also had a lot of stuff that just didn't match. I purchased a few things from Target because I wanted everything to look a little more uniform and matching. I ended up donating all of our silverware and almost all of our bowls and cups and things because, yeah, like I said, I just wanted it to match and look a little more uniformed. I'm definitely pleased with the way this looks now, and especially since I don't have this stuff sitting on my counter. It's tucked away in drawers, and ta-da! Look, that's so much better than before, right? I definitely wanted to declutter a bunch of clothes too, especially a lot of stuff that's in my dresser, and there's a lot of stuff hanging in my closet that I just don't wear, and there's no need in hanging on to it. So I'm just going through some of my clothes, and then later on, not in this video, but I need to go through my husband's as well, but I definitely wanted him to be able to pick things that he likes. But I've said this before, my husband is working from home during COVID, so he's always in the corner at his desk working while I'm cleaning, and I'm just trying to be like quiet. Alright guys, that is all that I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed this motivational clean with me. I'll see you next one. Bye.